Sha Ceramics netuka eyeko n'ebintu by'obwagaji aho asiligo lirense nkonya bali mirror and cabinets asebabwate aluminium and accessories mbabwate mirango y'echingenjo aho mbabwate chitangi aho nabwego kurose chikampani aho locks and accessories babwate chichogo se toilets echo chire chechingenjo aho nabwego n'ebintu bikutumikase e bathroom babwate kitchen sinks nabwego ne tap babwate bintu bikokora plumbing aho babwate marbles and granites nkone bale MDF boards kone bale deformed bath chichingenjo aho babwate bathtubs babwate tiles echichire chichingenjo aho konya bale bwigo ebintu bunabona wall to wall carpets babwate biro byechingenjo aho babwate gypsum pots chisimiti amabati egati ebintu binde binge ebyo bakonya seligo lirense nigo bagotuka ase mumbere manyakanta muna Cansons Plaza asebara ya Kisumu imbeyo muchiyiga obusungo asamange naboko bakirisi bigweterasa chinamba cyabo 0703943972. Omugusi bono lishirika lya obwanjete lya Getembe Television Network ama na Getembe FM nigo lyakoletera obukorere bwayo gucange nasole tutalere imiye nyombe ya Uhuru Towers lirongo litangani asebale ku rukinsemo cya Kisiko genda Kisumu agene nyumba ya M Taylor iryo tunyara ko batogusangamo naye nagokina nyabunegisaku cy'omugusi Getembe FM na Getembe Television Network ekeneke unga kyamwa mugusi. Ne noganye gukorerwa live streaming ase chipejo cha social media cha Getembe nubwate imisangirikano ya gisiasha amatanga chinyangi chibirthday mesangirikano y'echikanisa baby shower anniversaries gose ekinyoro kinyomo inyangi gusuko kwa kuyomino emijega ao bunabonwa housewarming parties engagement parties egatie binde bige bono Getembe Television Network nero ego kwayega asirigo lidio gotukutera ninchwe omurikirwe ye masege munaba manyi baitabo bale nobo manyi wiguro nigeti byetibwate signal ere enkongo igwikira abantu bange asubunge asamange onye kuganiti omurikirwe nabukulika jumbenge wigo gwitira semeria WhatsApp usiku yake simi gwitira namba 0741499726
Yo bombo yo mwanone kirijane
Stariki na mirongo hetatu noyo mumutinyi noyo gatatu mwaka noyo bwechirubera mirongo hebere ne tano nomo moncho mulikereri ndeno kwigena mbiyorando cia sole na gukwanire abaigo gukwarigani kwenyora mangana maye yekiunga chinsa ibere chiabo no butiko literani Cyrus Nyakundi sense milimenyerero nere Wilson makuri na gusabire tuskare. Karibu mwancho muligilia guchake kiunga chinsa ibere nigo ritukulia lero omugavana we county ya Kisii Musike Paul Simba Arati atarana kuigore nyagitari ya Kenyanya level 4 maiga yogusiwe kwa wetani omutienyo yomo chinga kyomusubati asireti obugima chinga kyaringe kogonkya asetara yaye niga tebe chiro ya Kenyanya nigera chikobe kwa chikabro ekyo obaseboiga aba kerori yokobe kwa we chisindane asetugo koiria ira yokuchigwe kirani chira chia magendero Olikito diboni asanya arabotirwa senchira yobwikirano
nganchere toigwana ndirinya kitali ansegasero mo wanje wewe
Netaro ya bene jomugavana bwe county ya Kisii Musike Paul Simba Arati ya maseyemo goika asinyagitari ya Kenyanya level 4 ya beteke gusie kwa omutienyo erire maega yobututuka nuko nekigwa asinyagitari eyo chingaki omusubati yomo abeteka gusiria obugima bwaye chingaki arenge koibora gukwana nabamenyi bensemeyuni go ababoririe barabugotoire getambokero asamago kabo anene chingaki ebikorabu nebyo byabere bikonekigwa chingaki bono enyagitari eyo egenderete gukorerwa amaonchererio ao nigaye igora bene asogochaka aseboigo chingaki abakagukwanira amagendero ao ayu arobereti anene guchia saba menyi bebunge yabo machoke borabu.
Kwanza nataka nishukuru officers wetu wa polisi na DCI kwa sababu ndio mama alipoteza maisha hapo, na ni bahati mbaya kwamba mama alipoteza maisha na pia hata mtoto akafa, lakini kifo hicho kimoja akiwezi fanya vifo vingine nyingi zifanyike. Hatuwezi funga hospitali, watu wanafaa watibiwe kabisa. Yes. Nkumekilishwa enyagitari ego choro no ntrabe tusindani okubye abanyagitari mbaro twarusigenga nani mbaba sakwena esengenjo otonyorera enye ya specialist monta takortiki abanyagitari na tebe bali bando tragende training kuba rusinde bagende training bagende sijekachi
kubwatakana n'ekiburaburwa kyaenegetigwe oika ogosieko kwenyagitari eyo igobono abwatokege kurege tindi ase bali babwataranetie no gukora obusaria
otondi bwenso swetema akabwatu ne camera CCTV bakubogoli TV bakubogoli computer bakubogoli radio team nonsi ikiogozi kama iko na na ile tu cash 100,000 na about 300 wale kwende prisons mungu so kiagera abantu kubwene bantu barwari bakombe n'abantu iko makosa natokea kakiso wanje kwa isansa mukwani. Don't take advantage.
Kake chiboigo ni gacha kyomuroberio bene bwetugo kobetwa chisindani cha marweire aliagotanga emenwa nabege bitago
a vaccination ya foot and mouth bali abatugibe chobe mamanyete aliege timo inokoron chitore
ense moyende omwe msiewe wodi yo yabo kimonge amosonderi nigorere agokiro muroberio yo
nganchere asile kachike walitangani kulane ngambya mwana soto kaoga kitaje tuntumo mtwalo twale laundry twale twale kitchen akibani check tine yamane 100 million ya Kenya Kenya ke once and for all
kurwa ase sekta yobochenu imeye county ya Kisii Dr. Matiko
Excellency jinsi ulivyotoa maagizo kwamba tuchukue hatua kuhakikisha kwamba kitendo hakitendeki tena hapa. Kando na kazi ambayo imeendelea hapa ya kurepair the buildings, nafikiri hata wananchi wanaona mabadiliko. Kuna mashine sasa ambazo zimeletwa ili kufanya theater ianze kufanya kazi. So anesthetic machine imekuja.
Maega yaye ni gali ere guchukubwaterana na bamenyi be county ya Kisii aso gwikirania amagenderero ao gati yabo chipara na boigo aboroki wakone kiwangango chibari ase chisukuru aso kubwatoka jibasari anene gochakira eikigocha
narobe chiro ese nchembra contractor nega umuntu nariga naire contractor yokoros cabros chichirugani umuntu iwe tenda mumeshungasi yakorekanibya ne yakorekante sunika as cabros nabe gitichons. Thank you sir. Abanga baito cabros chire amaliona abatari gotoka gaiga agotoka level 5 amaliona abatari gotoka gaiga agotoka level 6 amaliona ya kanza moving no ile level 5 aligotoka kiwaje kwa hiyo a prescription mubuli ngangoro kingeze computer amaliona ina achicha usemo riskoga umuntu onyama yogo onye mo onyo ntebenyowe anteni umuntu yagende
Kuruiga senyagitari ya Kenyenya level 4 egotoke bunge ya Bomachoge barabwe county ya Kisii eliana igongoro kwa Dipon Asanya
mbia muno mulikito Dipon Asanya hasoro botiruo obo teneneli wenyagitari ya Masaba North level 4 yere kirokani goba nekiribuna chira homurai benso muske wira muruto abetega kubalira nigo bono chabere chiwe kiraniwa igati yechire cyo mwali yeto mwaka yo monenu swelire ingati yechugo chikwaga cyo kwenyasi motane rondare naboigo ekicheni kyakerero ayonsi nigene kiwano munyagitali monene hwenyagitali yo asilita Dr. Samuel Mbate yo tebiro bokorali bobo gweni asenyagitali yo nigo wamentakanire magega yokonyoru kubwatisibwa konene kurwa serikali ye county Nyamira naboigo serikali yenene mulikitso fatikari gisemba norobotiro sinchira yubwikira
no mwaka oyomo nemetinye 53 yaitire esa omarayo manene bwense Dr. William Ruto akorete etaro ya magenderero asomoche okeroka ase omugabana bwe county ya Nyamira omuske Amos Nyaribo airete chinga kyecho na kumuburia amagenderero ao egati yabo okwagachwa kwenyasi eryo gotinya oborendi asenyagitari iga ya keroka.
This hospital is very beautiful and it's exposed. Please tusaidie tupate hiyo perimeter wall. Namba 2, tusaidie tupate modern kitchen. Tunataka modern laundry. Ili mukirara sheets zinaozwa mzuri, mwingine akikuja anapata imekuwa clean.
Sasa hospitali nimejenga. Equipment nimeweka. Fans nimekubali. Ambulance peke yake sasa ninunue ambulance. Haya wewe bwana PS, tafuta ambulance letea hii watu.
Kubatakana na magenderero ayo asabetwe no mugavana Onyamira nigo oboteneneri bwenyagitari eyo ya keroka bakoragwa no munyagitari omonene o Masaba North level 4 hospital Dr. Samuel Mbati baenekia bona magenderero ayo nigo bayanyorire.
So the facility was upgraded courtesy of the national government. We have got new buildings, we have got beautification which has been done. Through the courtesy of the county governor, His Excellency Nyaribo, we got a perimeter wall and beautification which has been done. Matters of cabros, it has gone a long way in making sure that the facility has a better facelift.
Aiga boigo ebaenekire buna maega yenyagitari eyo konyora obokonyo bwo nigo bono bamentire nonya no bokoreri ao bobo bwenya igento yakonyire amagima yabange.
And also we do orthopedic cases there. If somebody has an injury, a trauma case, we are also able to do them. We also offer gynecological services for those mothers who have complications post delivery or during their age. We also offer managed, since we opened the facility, we've been able to do around roughly 500 to 650 cases since we opened the unit, and we are proud of that.
amaene twarorire abaroire bakunyarwa bagochasa asobonge mono banyara service cheito nabo igo buna bono maternity yeito ebwata abaroire abangina abange mono nabo gasichi ward cheito
nonye nabo nigo bakwerera buna ebabeire bagutoria amagima ase abasubati chinga kichiria bakuibora nabo igo ugutoria amagima ao ekero kemibasukano yepara.
On matters of emergency services, I would like to state clearly that we are capable of responding to emergencies. We have had a couple of accidents around here, and since this is a highway, we have seen accidents happening and we are responding to them. The latest one was the one which happened in Chebilat, involving some of our people from Rigoma ward. When we were called, we were able to respond actively.
Keroka nongo kole huduma yani kigini kinaongoza ne kuhudumiwa na chitega ikambo benarenge lakini mbango abanyitari mbango nyetera saka bwatesi
ayiga negatia magenderero ayanyare kobaga gwikiraniwa korengana no kuboria ukumo gavana bwe county ya Nyamira omuske Amos Nyaribo abetega kuboria omurai bwense Dr. William Ruto erio anyare kobaga koyekonya enyagitari yiga ya Keroka. Kingo reporter Getembe koraiga senyagitari yiga ya Masabano Level 4 Hospital eyegotoka ime yomochie Okeroka ime ye county ya Nyamira nje Fatigad Gisemba
Bemuno mulikito Fatigad Gisemba hasoro botiro abanya kenyoro bageterere ime ye wadi ya Kembwe bunge ya Nyaribali chache county ya Kisii igo ritukulia rero besokina kwe murunganiro gosereka gwechipara chimbe echuchire birengo bitari gweteka nigo boigo banekiribuna nigo babira somo sunte gwetani omwako yomo nigo baruro kuboria gocha sabara ibenseme yokubwatirana unenjere yomo yogwikirania magendero ase chinseme icho
abantu mbara batabwati magoro bagusinyugotara bana iya etoko chikogenda twagwa para ntubwati abaminto inumero chembia enga yanenge terera ntobwato mochando bwe para gakine sitima abaminto akitakonye anyana batubati bakoibora mbabwati ase bagweteribwa bagenda nyagitari iwotoko bareka kamega babareka mama kungumagira baka kaike nyagitari otoiborera njara mogongo akitakonye enke iga terera non gotoka saya lakini asobyenye tuwatandikire bobe pareye kenyoreke tuwatandikire igere gotoka nano montakara arwarire yani gotoka nano karo monta arwarire njera teyo bako monta be kwire ko kamo to goikera erami kaki abagambi bara bakachichaji kwamete abagambi bare gatwaete obogambi igaro rekanete rimo akagenda bi
setunoga iga getera roche shida tubwate ne para gaki etinyire tubwate murai gaki seita epare karosi ukuru moinali gekiranjire kayara ona gochaga ge twasimikira mathok kiranjira teyo ndubwati murai igo ndurwaga kura
ne turesa koenda paka moinogari ntonyo ninge pare yo nebe tire no moro mutoko ngege toyo diswari rine nkoboriga abantu bamintu buna munganaga oyo nabunegete igoro ndine te pipiga sabu nandeiga Pokora go chimoinogari para teri gweteka pare kurwa mate na uri akorete kurmate akabeka moro mwagaikaga ari atakoleti ese moyestima ikrare bintu
ikaike transform ikabe kwali kwisintaro chimoinari egache rubotuko ne bijana abantu batite bakaira abantu bakenya abantu bamanyiti bagatike stime yekere on stime yekete kagwa egaita ngombe yo no minto mukama chuma sabetio minto wono njegento kiandetege buna abantu baminto bakyombu ward imbwateli yanda line na sabantu baminto keko grantu bwati borai intuto liko kwana igoro bobeyo mwe gabano ito simbarat boro simbuwarati no monto miyale intwe tumo kumusaba because intoro cyumurai yo ito yore kyombu ward eto gosaba ndwaro je kwale tse birokta sisi tunataka ukuje na hiyo birokta byawo gaiga ground ega torole birokta bya
na sorbotiro manchumo ligeria no gotwa swali bolirie ritukuria rero hanene ase togochi kuboria igoro y'oburai kurengana hamuna umoncho murigereria umurai uri kwabet kogochora hoikiranira magendero hariuganite rutebirengerero byabo gwetira ase namba yesime yeraba se screen yago yero 0726447367 abigo goswagarie ase Facebook Getembe TV wigo nabo gutuma he ujumbe nke gwetira gabo ase nambeyo elio asomwe elio bwekiunga ninchi gosoma ebirengerero byao. DCC we sub-county ya Kenyanya Franklin Peti usabira baiboli babe maiso chinga kyaborokiwa basikirije skuru na baguchanka kurengana na Peti hamate mwamange haba nigo barachikonyora onyoborendi mboliko chikubekwa boiseine usabira abachivu n'abakonyi babo anababugwa ibo kubwaterana nyumba 10 unenchereyemo yogo chikubeka obotingo botindi asogokora mulyogo yogotindia nabo igokorondo igarenge ko yakwana ya hime ya bisiaye asensemo ya Kenya ritikulia lero.
Ni naibu county commissioner ya Kenyanya sub county. Na saa hii mashule inaenda kufungwa, so tunataka kutoa wito kwa wasasi watunze watoto wao wakiwa nyumbani, kwa sababu likizo itakuwa ndefu kidogo. Wahakikishe kuwa wazazi watoto hawaendi kwa mashine za gambling kucheza huko Avieta. Pia maneno ya mihadarati waangalie, kwa sababu mihadarati ni nyingi kwa vijijini, so waangalie kuwa watoto wametunzwa wasijiingize kwa maneno ya mihadarati. Pia tunatoa wito kwa wadogo wetu machifu na naibu wao wawe macho, wahakikishe kuwa watoto wajiingize kwa maneno ya mihadarati ama kwenda kucheza maneno za gambling. Hiyo ndio wito wetu kwa saa hii. Sioni kama kuna maneno mingi ingine. Sheria pia inasema watoto wadogo kabla hajafika mwaka 18 hawaruhusiwi kuingia kwa hizo gambling, kuingia kwa maneno ya mihadarati ama pombe haramu. Watoto wadogo ambao hajafikisha umri wa mwaka 18 haruhusiwi kisheria. Na tukipata wale wanaweza usia watoto ambao hawajatimiza mwaka 18, hatua kali za kisheria zitachukuliwa zidi yao. So hiyo ndio msimamo wetu, na vile nimesema machifu wetu na manaibu wao na hata wazee wa vijiji wawe macho, ndio kusudi tuhakikishe kuwa watoto wetu wanakaa salama salimini wakati wa hii likizo wa Pasaka.
Omujumbe webunge ya Kitutu Chache South Muske Anthony Kibagende ni gatine ni waboigo gutekerana sebikaro bye bunge nene ase ntunda ya Kaberero yamagega yokorekana komoji bunge yo asogote babuna nigegurire Muske Kibagende nigegwa matuko 14 gutekerana ase bikaro na boigo chikomiti chie bunge yo.
And Mr. Speaker, I raise on a point of order pursuant to the provision of Standing Orders 1081 of the National Assembly Standing Orders. I raise to invite the House to name Honorable Member for Kitutu Chache constituency for grossly disorderly conduct. Honorable Speaker, as I recall, after being moved by this House, the Honorable Speaker directed that the member be excluded from the precincts of Parliament until he submits an appropriately worded apology to the House. Speaker, I have seen the honorable member within the precincts of Parliament, yet I have not seen, heard or read any of such apology being given.
It's for you to decide. And this has nothing to remove or with the removal of Honorable Anthony Kibagende from his seat as MP for the good people of Kenya he represents. It is strictly a matter of, privilege and a matter falling under the provisions of Standing Order number 108. Now, honorable members, I put the question that the Honorable Anthony Kibagende be suspended from the service of the House for a period of 14 days from today, Will as many as are of that opinion say aye? Will as many as are of the contrary opinion say nay? The ayes have it. Yes, sir. Honorable Kibagendi. You have been suspended from the service of the House for 14 days, beginning the time the House made the decision. I know you will disobey, you will obey the order. Honorable Kibagendi, you will leave the House. You are for now a stranger in the House. Please leave.
Asoroboti rumonjomo ligereria tigatonyoro motimo komoke korenda selibori lili tukolia rero igo liokobori korengana munae omwancho muligereria abarai boikirania magendero hali ababete bagochererwa abigo kunyara ko kubeke birangiriri byabo ase namba yesime yere gabo ase screen eyere 0726447367 abigo gari Facebook abo ranyare ko kubeke birangiriri byabo bunenchereye mo ndabe ginko bisoma Parega bakwanire onero kuruku Crop Junior era wata nwarime yumurubeli go senwarime yekionga wiko mwelio yoiganere okuruku Kennedy Ongeri kurwa kiorebo nyagatanyi niga hagote buguna umuske Kibagendi niga hataranyara ka wigo siki paranjira wenete wikirani asebono ataranyara ka wikirani onero kuruku Mama Ruth kuru amabirio era nwagate nwarime goika omweli omuncho muligana yoro mutima kombe tukwirana tugende ne kyonga sinchira yobikira
Omurayi omukuru bwense ya Burkina Faso Thomas Sankara niga tebete nige kuira ekerengogete ky'obubalimo kibirengeralyo eliokolenta amoncheryo yamagenderero asama tukabusyo nakyo gekogera omuseneta Gloria Oruoba erure koba ebalimo yaino aso musimamo y'omutindi akonye kurwanirira omugusi inyora omusike Oruoba nigalinge omuseneta omuchorwa bwekyama gya serikali gya UDA kulende agesokya kubwatisya omurwanirira bwekerugo ky'oburayi bwense kurwa orogonko rwagusi omusike Dr. Fred Matiang'i abange bakamuruke balimo igoika kaurwe kerugo kyaye ky'obuseneta asogotenena n'omugusi omwabo nonyabono atabwatie emirimo obeire okurwanirira abasubati wekinia kiuchumi koenana ebitamba by'obuchenu naboigo kurwania chisegi chiegenka bono nigo aboliri omugusi komochora buna omu women representative bwe county ya Kisii asobochori bw'omwaka ogocha elio aire obubalimo bwaye alia sebunge agenderere kurwanirira omugusi emeremeye nigetagete omusubati omulemu Oruoba narokwe balimo takumeti kugicha obubalimo obo bokonye kurwanirira omugusi mbuya gutwara omusubati omulemu gose balimo kubwa gutwara omusubati omwoba okoni gesaku oyo nere Gloria Oruoba ebalimo yagusi
Peak Dental Clinic nenyagitalie kurubo gwene bwabo aso muchando bwa maino nigo bakurubo kale bwabo buna okorusia maina lya bwato muchando koya sivya komenterwa amaino asebalia agogete nkohwenya bale chininti nabo igongo ticha bara maina lya bochogete enyagitalie nige kurubo kale bwensi asili goldense kegima mbambwate nsema sabana bakobutera nabo igokogosereria omukoreri bwabo no bwabwango nando bwikiranwa wigo ngokora bali scanning chimashini chabo ni chibirongo bigoro nigo bagotoka imejo mucho kisi asama gacho a Uhuru Building asilirongo lile igoro yebengi ya Kenya Women Finance Trust wigo nabo kubonyora gwetera ase website yabo ya www.peakdental.co.ke wigo nabo kubonyora gwetera ase nchera jesimi wetera ase namba enotisa nebere kianda ibere inye eyemo kianda isano isato inye ose gwetera ase nambende enoti isano nebere isano nemo inye isano nesatu kianda inye eyemo isano nesatu.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Emily Mutwe. I am the Chief Dentist and you're welcome for professional dental services. We offer all the treatment that entails the teeth. We do fillings, root canals, extractions, replacements, teeth whitening, and also cleaning of the teeth. You're welcome. God bless you.
Peak Dental Clinic, expert in dental care. Karibu.
Karibu na indo mwanchomo rigereria kurende nigo tugochaka ne libori eli tukolea rero korengana hamwe na mwanchomo rigereria abarahi baikiraniria magendero hari babete bakulira chira abayigo gotuma ibirangiro byabo gwetira ase nambe yo yesimi erega bwa se screen yabo ase uchumbenge enambe yo 0726447367 usena bwa swagari Facebook onyare kugutuma ebirangiro byabo. Chakomo hobisa homonene bikimbe ke wakorobotu KDCI Mohamed Amine nigatebire buna hobotuki ni gobogendete kugwatikana ni bwa sena makweli ayabeteka kwene kigwa asemebere yabeteke gotinde kwa ase county ya Kericho orengana na Amine ni gagwatabuna bibere yo hemerongo 33 yabeteke gotinde kwa ase kinsemecho nigo ya Ruete county ya Nyamira.
The mortuary records do not account for the discharge of the 46 infants or fetuses whose remains may have left the morgue under unclear circumstances. And these findings, therefore, point to serious lapses in mortuary protocols, serious lapses in documentation and oversight at the Nyamira Teaching and Referral Hospital mortuary, as well as irregularities in the burial process at the Makoborini Cemetery owned by the National Council of Churches of Kenya, Kericho branch, which was overseen by the caretaker, one Richard Towet alias Ezekiel. The investigations have therefore conclusively established that all the remains recovered from the mass grave where we are standing this morning actually originated from Nyamira Teaching and Referral Hospital mortuary. And this has been acknowledged by the management and officials of the said referral hospital. Have footages from the facility that shows that on March 19, 2026, 4 bags were loaded into a white Toyota Land Cruiser, registration number GKA 549L by Jason Mochara Nyarbi, who is the chief mortician of the referral hospital, under the direct supervision of the facility's public health officer. And this particular vehicle has since been impounded and is under police custody. And therefore, to ensure complete accountability and transparency.
Barasa y'abagavana gekurawa n'umunyakirogo oyibo igoro mu gavana we county Wajir Ahmed Abdullahi ligo yasokire na kumwegerero mu gavana we county ya Nairobi Johnson Sakaja emagaga ye bunge ya Senate kuroko chika kuchia somo Inspector General wa Nyimbo Douglas Kanja bubeka byara asogotekirana bosibu ya Senate abagavana nigo bagikiribororo chiko ko asono batebere buna Senate nige gutumika lichiko kwa engai abagavana bande
IG Kanja. By the way, I spoke to some of his people and I realized there was no warrant of arrest against Governor Sakaja. The only thing there was a letter from the clerk of Senate to the IG. You cannot arrest a governor on the basis of a letter from the Senate clerk. So we want to tell our policemen not to be misused. This is a political matter. It's a political standoff. When it goes legal, we'll play it in court. When it goes legal, we'll play it out in court. And the people will regret that it never reached that level. But for now, it's a political standoff. It requires a political solution, and that political solution can only come from the leadership of Council and the leadership of Senate. And we sought audience with the leadership of the Senate. And we continue to seek audience. And in principle, certain members of the leadership continue telling us, yes, we hear you, we need to talk. But on the other hand, the committee continues behaving in a very intransigent manner, and they continue to embarrass themselves. Because when you summon governors and they don't show up, or those who show up refuse to prosecute the matter, they're also embarrassing themselves.
Up until when we have an audience with the Speaker and the leadership and settle this cause, or rather settle this matter, we will continue staying away from the SIPA committee, but will appear on all other committees of both the Senate and the National Assembly. Even that SIPAC will appear if the 4 members of the Senate, of the SIPA committee, which we have already named in public, will not be in that committee. I don't have to repeat their names. They are known to the
Abarai bokwamiria serikali nigo bagikeiru bororo obotagori bechiro yage kombo botuko bogokira rero aso muchiria serikali aso kugendera kubachanda bananchi bokonyora bwise ukwana sensemo ya wote abarai yabo nigo baruro kuboria gocha serikali utikana abananchi kugendera gukora emirubiri yabo yo gunchiria asikali nigo kigandete kubakonya kwenyorera ngeri ya kirari.
We are very disturbed by what is coming out of our capital city. The demolitions at 4 o'clock at Gikomba Market are inhuman, they are disheartening, and we condemn them unreservedly. Why on earth would you want to disturb people at 4 o'clock in the morning if you are doing anything lawful? And yet we remember it was at that same Gikomba where William Ruto the other day went and said he was putting there a market. So this inhuman treatment of Kenyans by an uncaring administration of Kenya Kwanza.
When we were campaigning with William Ruto, I was running it. We made a firm undertaking to the people of Kenya that in a new administration, demolitions and evictions will never happen. And if they have to happen, the people being evicted must first be relocated to their new places of occupation. We also did agree that no demolition and eviction will ever be done at night. I started differing with William Ruto, our second year in office, when he went against what we had agreed and started a systematic program of evicting people from their land and from where they have lived for life.
As lawyers, we know that certain operations, including enforcement of court orders, must be done within specified hours. They cannot be carried out during ungodly hours. We saw what happened in Gikomba yesterday. We saw what happened at Dari, Honorable Tuju's place. People raiding private property at 3 o'clock, very ungodly hours. And all this points out, apart from what happened at Nairobi Hospital, a private enterprise.
Na sorbaturu manchumo ligera no tugwikira umwelio pamangana maya yekyonga litukula lero ulinde ase liboli litukula lero nigo tokuboli kolengana munayo manchumo ligera abarai babete bagwikirania magendero ali babete bakulira bananchi ochaka na Facebook gaiga korokunere cheria kurubo agotenere nwalime yumurebere kurumana Bahrain Kingdom yonera Honorable Vincent Mosokenye yore hukolie kero kyobwe MCA basiboge taurio igagotena homushimi gobiri anyare gago imukie gasikwikirania bananchi magendero asagotebuna hoteli yentakana nige tabua tiestima epare koru gitei lio kibeni ewe kwirami epare koru omusocho mpaka entakana nigagotena teligweteka atarire eskuru ya Kiongeti arura mangana roro aboigo atarire Kiondusu nyantira Esani Catholic gionsali anyarika okora amagenroro aboigo akoro kuchali Rwanga eragotena nwalime ye Kionga asenchira erendonge gabunswe ase SMS kubatikana ni namba heyo nagote mwanchu muligerelia onero korokubuna umugirango koruke umbu agotena ase ikire bananchi nigo bagende tuwetira amakongu asikeri habara imbali wekirani amagendro onere okoroku Evaniso mariba korunya mataru bande mbaro abange batarakora amagendero ali babete bakulira abananchi nere okorokunere Meri Nyakundi korukitutu Central Ward chipara siabe ku moromo na owoncherelia abatena chipara nchiri weteka asekerenigo magendera tarekeranigwa ase ensemeyo onere okoroku Ebundi ya Mandasi Ronald Nyaika kurwanya ndrema abaraye eba chiete korara bachiti gokorera bananchi amagendro onere okoroku Ipspa Kamanda urweronge lirumi yanigo baraire amagendro taiyo onere okoroku na Mogochi oroa ereno agatena nwalime ye Kionga asenchira erendonge Johnson Mosigisi kuruga Chuba Ward abarai bakitutu masaba pole sana magendero taiyo ere hankoru Kirwa Feti Nyagaka aragotena yaya Mokonge ege kuye Richard maseno abarai bange nigo bagokwano bolimo yonero korokubuna Aisakabu Osinde kuromagombo kendenke yopi esi na wikiraga bu manchumo ligerelia nongo ikira Mairubekyonga chinsebire kolende chikoraga chinsenye ningirane nkumanya senchira iyo wikirano liderane Cyrus Nyakunde asense meliyo menyerelyo ningalenge Wilson Makoli nagosabire twarubuligerere borobia